How are not working with the shift key. 1. Basic tips. Restart your computer. Try another keyboard. To run the appropriate troubleshooters. Hardware and devices troubleshooter, msdt.exe ID device diagnostic. Keyboard troubleshooter. Uninstall and reinstall your keyboard driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Troubleshoot in Windows Clean Boot State. 5. Check if you are using an audio switcher or similar software. If so, disable or exit that app temporarily. 6. Check if you are using a multimedia keyboard. If so, disconnect that device. 7. Reset your keyboard by moving up or down current language.